Hey everybody, I'm going to do a mallet smash, woohoo! Something I haven't done for a while. Just kidding, I love the mallet smashes, I can't get enough of them. And I was almost going to do it in earth tones, like browns and blacks and tans and gold, but then I decided, no, I'm going to stay with the brights. So, zoom in a little bit. Except I have done quite a few bright ones lately. Could do... I have done a lot of brights. Let's try for... let's just see here what I've got. I've got raw umber. Could do cadmium, deep red. I could do gold, Grumbacher warm gray, and then I'm not going to do black. Well, obviously I could do my Prussian blue. No, not magenta. Maybe that. Should I do that? I'm going to keep that off to the side for next time. And then going back with the colors I was originally going to use, which now... Okay, so I had Liquitex, magenta, a greenish concoction, Liquitex basic, light blue violet, Grumbacher, cadmium orange, and probably do a little bit of Artist Loft metallic purple. Yeah. All right. So now that I got those colors, you can look up how I mix them under my paint mixing videos. I was going to show you the painting from yesterday, but it is, oops, not quite dry yet. So we are the last district, school district in the state that is still open. Thursday's our last day. It feels like it's never going to come. So we're just suffering along until Thursday. And then I have lots of summer plans. I want to get, there's a bunch of art stuff I want to get organized, and with the store I have here in town, get some stuff there, take some stuff out from there. There's a couple of pieces that are there that I want to bring home in resin. So I'm gonna plan to do that. So this is this is wood cradle board, plain cradle board from Blick. It is a 16 by 16 inch. And I primed it with gesso. I just did one coat of gesso and sanded it. But these don't need much sanding. Like when I do my MDF, those require a lot of sanding, but these don't. I really like working on these. They hold up well to a mallet smash. I don't have to worry about, with resin, you know, they take to resin very easily. There really is no downside to them. They're lightweight. I mean, they're not really any heavier. They cost a little bit more, but it's probably the only downside. I'm gonna move this. I still have my glitter here that I want to use. Torch out the bubbles. There's a lot of them. Torch them all out now so that way I don't have to tilt as much or torch as much at the end. I haven't used this color in a long time. And for some reason, I always tend to do 3. Oh, or one that just keeps on going. These are similar tones, and then when I add the magenta, it's going to be even more similar. I have to, oh my gosh, I'm making a mess on this one. Let's do the orange. I may just smash with these. Ugh, for heaven's sakes. I may just do these for right now. Well, no, I kind of want the green in there. Made such a mess of this canvas, or board, whatever you want to call it. All right, here we go. Okay, I am going to make a new one up here. Some white. I don't like the way I hit it, it all went around it. I don't want that. Because you can see the outline. So those I went a little lighter to, and I didn't have that same issue. try it again, softer. So if you weren't sure what just happened, I wasn't holding down the board as much, and so when I smashed the mallet down, it's kind of suctioned and was pulling it back up, which is why I ended up with that very blendy look up there. Because I didn't want it quite like that. Trying to see. It's so much lighter up there. So now I'm going to hold it down. Gosh, I did it again. I'm going to torch and see where we're at. So I'm going to get a little bit more color up here. Going to put some just in my tray. And I will just dip. Alright, so I didn't really think about, maybe I can, I'll get to my chair over again. Ooh, I like how that did like that whole long thing. This just needs a bit. Let's mark this. So I'm just pouring this onto this color, so because there's none of it right there. I forgot to add that one. I can't really get the lid back on. Looks like all of the low spots have filled in. touch up all the sides where I was holding on to it. I so want to see what a little bit of glitter would look like, but it will probably make it look trashy. Oh, I just want to know. I can't do it. Can't risk it. I like it too much. I need to try it on a painting I don't like. Okay. So there's all the different smashes. And my next one is going to be the neutral colors, I promise. So I hope you have a good night or morning, and I will catch you next time. Bye.